is called the double circulatory system. You know, double circulatory system is found in the human being. Double circulatory system means blood flow in heart 2 times. That is called the double circulatory system. What is a double circulatory system? Blood flow in heart 2 times. That is called double circulatory system. You know, double circulatory system consists of double circulatory system has two components. Blood double circulatory system has two components. The one is called the pulmonary circulation and second is called the systematic circulation. First is called pulmonary circulation and second is called the systematic circulation. So first of all, I am taking pulmonary circulation. Beta, in pulmonary circulation, from the heart, blood supply into the lungs and from lungs again come into the heart. What happened in the pulmonary circulation? From the heart, blood transfer into the lungs and again come back into heart. Means, listen me, how? You already know. From the heart, deoxygenated blood carried by pulmonary arteries into the lungs. In lungs, after purification, pure blood with the help of pulmonary vein come into the left hand side auricle. This all is included in the pulmonary circulation. Okay, this is called the pulmonary circulation. Yani what you will found? Blood come in heart 2 times. One, impure blood transfer into the lungs. From the lungs, again, blood come into the heart. Now I am taking the second is called the systematic circulation. In systematic circulations, it is the circulation of blood between heart and the different parts of the tissue. In between, it is the circulation of blood between heart and different part of the tissue and the different part of the body tissue except lungs. All body tissue except lungs. Listen me. Oxygenated blood received by the left auricle. From left auricle, beta, where blood go? It come into the left ventricle. Or you know, from left ventricle, where blood go? By the aorta, supplying the different part of the body. Okay, and after that, again, from different part of the body, impure blood by the vena cava, superior or inferior, again come into the right hand side of auricle. So what happened? In heart, blood come 2 times data. So it is called double circulatory system. I think clear? Yes, any doubt? This is called the double circulatory system. It complete by it has a two component, pulmonary circulation or systematic circulation. Yes, any doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, please be explain pulmonary.
Pulmonary circulation. Listen me again. In pulmonary circulations, it is the movement of blood from from heart to lungs, again lungs to heart. Listen me. For example, impure blood from the right hand side ventricle with the help of pulmonary artery transfer into the lungs. In lungs, after purification beta, pure blood by the pulmonary vein again come into the left hand side auricle. This is called the pulmonary circulation. Okay, means the blood transfer for the lungs again come into the heart. But second is called the systematic circulation. Systematic circulation में blood circulation take place between the heart and different part of the body tissue except the lungs. Means here the blood from the right hand side, from the left hand side ventricle, pure blood by the aorta supply in the different part of the body. And from the different part of the body, impure blood collected by the vena cava, superior or inferior, again come into the right hand side auricle. So in the heart, blood come 2 times. So it is called the single double circulatory system. Okay, any doubt? Yes,
No,
beta,
ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now I take. Yes. Now I am taking importance of double circulatory system. What is the importance of double circulatory system? Listen me, beta. Anybody else give me answer? What are the importance of double circulatory system? No? Okay, listen me. Double circulatory system help in maintaining body temperature, because in double circulatory system pure and impure blood is separate, so that help in maintaining body temperature. It help in thermoregulation of body in mammal, thermoregulation of body in mammals and birds. So mammals and birds temperature is maintained. Mammals and birds temperature does not change according to environment. Okay, so it helps in the thermoregulation, means it helps in the maintaining of the body temperature, or more energy is produced when the pure more oxygen is supplied, so the more energy is produced for surviving. Okay, listen me. Now the next one more important thing, you will found in amphibia and reptilia, three-chambered heart is present. How many chambers heart present in amphibian and reptilia? Three-chambered heart. In three-chambered heart, what is present? Two auricle, right and left, and one ventricle is present. Ventricle is not completely divided. So what happened? Pure and impure blood mix in ventricle. What happened? Pure and impure blood mix in the ventricle. That's why amphibian and reptilia cannot maintain their body temperature. Are you getting my point? So these amphibian and reptilia are hibernate during the winter season, cannot maintain body temperature. Body temperature change according to environment. Why? Because in the body less energy is produced. Why? Because the pure impure blood is mixed in ventricle, and when ventricles are not fully formed, two chambers are not present in the ventricle. Okay, and listen me, that's why these animals cannot maintain the temperature and hibernate. Yes, any doubt? Yes, beta, any doubt? Now, I'm taking next topic, lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is also come in the circulatory system. What is a lymphatic system? Lymphatic system is consist of the capillaries, lymph vessels, lymph node. What are there? Lymph capillaries, lymph vessels, and lymph node. Okay, listen me. The lymph is a yellow color viscous fluid. What is a lymph beta? Yellow color viscous fluid present in between the tissue gap, or the in between the organ gap is present, in which tissue fluid is present. Okay, how the tissue fluid is formed? From the capillaries, some plasma seep out. From capillaries, some plasma seep out beta and collect the gap present between the organ, between the tissue, and that is called the lymph fluid. Okay, listen me. Lymph fluid mein what is present? In which the plasma is there, RBC absent, platelets absent, leukocytes are less in number, but the lymphocytes are more in number. You know about the lymphocyte that kill the germs. Listen me. You know the lymph. Now I am taking the lymph. How the lymph is carried. First of all, listen me. The lymph is formed inside fine blind tubule. Lymph formed inside fine blind tubule called the lymph capillaries. What is the lymph capillaries? Lymph formed inside fine blind tubule called lymph capillaries. The lymph capillaries are permeable, from which the substance can pass by the diffusion. Okay, and then lymph capillaries are joined together from the lymph vessels, and in lymph vessels swelling is present, that is called the lymph node. In lymph capillaries joined together, what is formed beta? When the lymph capillaries join together, from the lymph vessels, and in lymph vessels in some area swelling is present, and that swelling is called the lymph node. You know, lymph node is very important. Why beta? Because it work as a filter for germs. Means lymph node filter germs, or lymphocytes are mature in the lymph node. Or you know lymphocyte, what is the function of lymphocyte? Lymphocytes engulf germs. Lymphocyte phagocytic in nature, engulfs germs, and lymphocytes are mature in their in lymph node beta. Okay, and lymph node from the duct to lymph duct. Which lymph duct? Please video off karo. Lymph duct are open into the right and left subclavian veins. Lymph ducts are open in right and left subclavian vein. Okay, अपना video off करो बेटा. Yes, आप listen me. Lymph vessels. Any doubt? You can ask me question. अपनी video बंद करो बेटा. Any doubt? You can ask me question. Yes. No. Now I am taking functions. Lymph function. First function. Lymph filter blood. Lymph filter jumps from the blood. Yani what is the function of lymph? Lymph capillaries are specialized, attract and attract the germs and filter the germs. Okay. Now the next point, lymph maintain blood volume. That's the function. Lymph maintain blood volume because by the capillaries the plasma seep out, again that lymph transfer into the blood. So the maintenance of the blood volume is continuous. Okay, the lymphocytes, you know what is the function of video बंद करो बेटा अपनी. What is the function of lymphocyte? Lymphocytes engulf germs. Okay, or listen me. Lymphocytes are also mature in the lymph node. Where the lymphocytes are mature? In lymph node. Next function of lymph carry digested fat beta. Digested fat carried by the lymph. Are you getting my point beta? Now the next, lymph also carry waste from the tissue. Waste from the tissue are first passed into the lymph before they are poured into blood. Listen me again. Waste from the tissue are first passed into lymph before poured into blood. Okay, and these all are the function of the lymph. If you have any doubt, beta, you can ask me question. Yes, beta.